Hello kids, I hope you all are safe at home and enjoying science. Your Deepika teacher is here with yet another siphon activity. As you all know that first week of October is celebrated as the Wildlife Week. On this occasion, Goa Forest Department is organizing many competitions. This is the circular which I had forwarded to you all in the groups, and many of the students have got queries regarding these competitions. So this video is specially to explain about the different competitions that will be conducted by Department of Forest on the occasion of Wildlife Week celebration. Now this year Wildlife Week celebration is having a special theme, and that theme is sustaining all life on earth. Now regarding this celebration, there are many competitions in which you can participate. Now how you will participate in these competitions is what I am going to explain in this video. So let me just show you the circular. Okay, this is the official circular which has come from the department, and there are several competitions in which you can participate. The first competition is drawing competition. Okay, in the first category A, we have got the drawing competition for kids. This is up to 9 years of age. Okay, and the topic on which they are going to do the drawing is wildlife of Goa. Okay, the second group is from age 10 to age 14. This is where most of my students from 6th standard onwards can participate. So the topic for you is Save Wildlife, Save Humanity. You have to draw a picture on this topic, Save Wildlife, Save Humanity. Okay, then there is another competition. This category 3 is for differently abled children, so you will not fall in that category. I am coming to this second competition, and the competition is very interesting. Build a bird nest. Okay, you have to build a bird nest, and the age group is up to 14 years of age. Now here you can make a 3 minutes video on preparation of the bird house, and you need to submit the video. Okay, so that competition is really very interesting. You have to make a bird nest. Okay, then the third competition is photography competition. This is open category, anybody can participate, and the theme for that is shades of Goa forest. That means you have to click photographs of the forest area, and you can send those photographs. This is a photography competition. I am repeating again. The first competition is a drawing competition. The second one is a bird nest making competition. Build a bird nest. Okay, and the third one is a photography competition. Now this photography competition is an open category competition. Even the elders can participate in it. Okay, then the fourth one is an essay writing competition, and this is from the age group 11 to 16. So you have to check your age group and participate. The topic is marine ecosystem, and it's important. Marine ecosystem is your seawater ecosystem or your ocean ecosystem, and its importance. Okay, so the word marine means seawater or ocean ecosystem. So why oceans are important, why ocean ecosystem is important, that you have to write in the essay, and it should be in English language. Now these first 4 competitions, if you want to participate, then you have to send the entries by email. So what you can do is, you can prepare your drawings, you can prepare your essay. If it is a photography competition, you can click pictures, and if it is a bird nest making competition, then you have to make a 3 minutes video. All these 4 competitions you have to participate by sending an email. So what I would suggest is, you can give me your entries and the names, and we will send the entries through school. So you don't have to worry. If you want to participate, you send me the drawings, you can send me the essay, and you can send me the video of bird nest making, and we will forward it to the department. Now, the next one is quiz competition. If you have to participate in quiz competition, then there is a link on which you have to register. Now this you have to do by yourself, and the link is given in the circular. Okay. The poster competition is from age group of 5 till 12, and the topic for that poster competition is stop pollution and save environment. So these are the competition. Your 7th competition, that is poster competition, also the entries have to be sent by email. So you can send me the entries with your details, and we will forward it through school to this department. But if it is a quiz competition or a debate competition, then there is a link which is given below, and you can use that link to register yourself. You can see the link over here down. If you want, I can mark it for you. Let's just mark it. Okay, this link I am saying, this link is for you to register for storytelling competition or debate competition or quiz competition. So if you wish to participate in these competitions, you need to register through this link. Okay, otherwise all other entries which are there above, all other entries which are there from competition 1 till competition 4 and competition 7, all these entries we will send by email. So if you are interested in participating, then see that you give me the entries, and you have to send the entries before 30th of September. So there is a week's less than a week's time for you to participate. At least by 28th or 29th, give me the entry with the details, and we will forward it to the department. Okay, this was regarding the competition, and whoever is interested, kindly please participate in these competitions and enjoy science. Thank you for your patient hearing, and I am expecting a lot of students to participate in the Wildlife Week celebration. So that's it from my side. If there's any other query that you have, you can still ask me in the groups, and then I will make another video probably for you to understand.